I love cooking for holiday weekends. That's what I love Christmas. So I love Easter for the same reason. I can plan a whole menu, go and shop at Malabar Meats, get what I need, and just plan a whole menu and come back home and cook. In here for a nice sear. This is not just going in the oven. There's a layer of flavor, and my layer of flavor is coffee. I love to drink coffee, but I also love to cook with coffee. Allow it to brew. I have some onions simply sliced that I just want to get in there. Nothing fancy, or at least not overly fancy. When you take it out of the oven, it gets all kind of fancy. I have some Baileys, nice hot coffee. I want a cup of this goodness. A little dramatics. I hope you're ready. Nice hot pan, and you pour all over that beef. Cup of water as well. This goes in the oven. 275 to 300 degrees. Leave it, forget it. 4 to 6 hours for a 4 to 5 pound size of beef. Every hour or so, every hour and a half, you can turn the beef around, probably get some of that lovely coffee liquid to keep infusing and flavoring the beef. That coffee is a winner.